Hey Internet, good morning. So it's Sunday morning here, and we're going to crack on with the wiring today. It's just such a mess, it really is, so we're just going to have to work our way through it. I'm keen to get the battery connected, but I'm a bit concerned about what may occur when I do, so the fire extinguisher will be on hand. So let's get going. Other news this week is we've decided that I'm actually going to remodel the Zephyr exhaust rather than buying I don't know what to get. I mean, I suppose I could get like a Netta exhaust. I think they were Motad, weren't they? But it was a Netta. And I've seen some available in Germany for about £500, which is a lot of money. The other ones that I've seen are sort of high twos, maybe £300, about £350 from Italy. And they, it looks like a nice shorty little exhaust, sporty exhaust. But it's a bit of a gamble, isn't it, really? So I think what we're going to do is we're going to use the Zephyr exhaust. We're going to chop it off. I'm ordering some 60mm, because that's the diameter, exhaust pipe, stainless exhaust pipe, and my great friend is going to fabricate it for me. I'll then get not necessarily that short, but like a shortish muffler. Maybe just have it sweeping up a little bit. I don't want anything too radical, but yeah, I think we're going to do that. I think we'll do all of that for less than £100, so yeah, job's with that one. I don't want to put standard 2x2s on it, so yeah. So okay, so out with the Haynes manual and let's start working through some of the wiring. I'll give you an example of the problems we've got. I found one this morning, and it was covered in insulation tape, but what's that for? I think that could be maybe to the switch button, the start button, but I really don't know. So yeah, I've still got some here that I've got to look at as well. So yeah, we'll get the battery connected and see what explodes. Okay, stick with me. Hey internet, so I'm afraid it's going to be another short one today. I'm truly beaten at the moment by the electrics on the Z. It's just a nightmare. I've had to redo a load of the connections again. I've had the battery on, I connected it up, turned the ignition on, and it sounds like the starter's trying to engage as soon as you turn the ignition on, so something's not wired in properly somewhere. So I've disconnected that. I then realised that I had routed the electrics incorrectly over the top of the this section of the just move that around a little. Over the top of this section of the frame rather than underneath it. So I've now rerouted it and I've secured it there. It's got enough movement. The wiring for the handlebar switches is right. It's just slow going. It's really not my thing, the electrics, but you know, I'll get there. I've had to have the headlight bowl off again, and to reroute some more, and this tray I've had to have that out again, but it's all now back in. I'm just gonna work through the issues. It's like I say though, I mean, I have absolutely no idea where this went. I really don't. So anyway, it's just going to take a little bit longer than I thought. But you know what? You know some days, don't you, when there's almost a sign that you should just pack it in for the day. And I should have taken that sign earlier when the casters fell off my chair. Well, two of them did anyway, so yeah. I should have taken that as a sign and just gone in and forgot about it and written the weekend off, but no, you know, I carried on for a bit. But yeah, it's a shame because I feel like I'm so close now, you know, with all the bodywork being done and everything else, and you know, I've got to sort that oil leak out, but a little bit disappointed with today, but you know, these things happen, and you've just got to carry on, haven't you? You know, it's pointless moaning about it. So let's look at the positives. The wiring is a bit more in place than it was before. Lots more connections have been redone. I used those new heat shrink connectors, so I hope they'll be good and, you know, waterproof. And you know, let's just see where we go from here. I'll probably not get any chance to work on it right now until next weekend, but you know, if I do, then great. I always spy my opportunities. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks very much for sticking with me. I know today hasn't been a great video, but you know, you have good days as well as bad, unfortunately, and today wasn't a great day. So yeah, I do appreciate you sticking with me. Please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up if you are liking the videos generally. Remember to click the little bell icon and you'll get a notification each time that I upload new content. But yeah, keep with me. You know, it won't be too long now and the old girl will be back on the road before you know it. I'm looking forward to getting the exhaust made as well. That should be rather fun. Yeah, stick with me please, and do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much, internet. Bye.